Hi, you guys. It's Mrs. Romig. I have not showered in several days. I've been pretty sick, but I'm feeling better. So I just wanted to assure you I'm going to be just fine. I did want to just see you guys. So I wanted to video myself telling you exactly what I need you to do this week. Firstly, I miss you horribly. You guys are why I go to work. So it's been really hard to be home and not seeing you. Um, I also want you to feel like you can email me or call me or anything at any time. So please do that. I'm going to go ahead and put my cell phone number in the assignments for this week so you can reach me if you need to, okay? And I will be available most every single school day during school hours, okay? And if not, I will call you back. I do want you to start checking your own school email through Gmail. So make sure you're doing that just in case I'm sending you any feedback from any of your videos or assignments. So this first week back, we are just going to be in school Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I am assuming that you and your family have figured out when you're doing school and when you are on free time. So you make that work for you, however that works for your family. I am going to try to make this as interesting and fun for you for science and social studies. I know you're going to have to spend a lot more energy on math and maybe even Mrs. Yates' English Language Arts. So I want these two subjects just to be really fun and really engaging, and I want you guys just to keep learning. So this is how you're going to access all of my assignments from now on. You are going to log into Google Classroom. And right now I am logged into Core A, Science and Social Studies, as my son Jason. So I'm in it as a student would be seeing it. So the first thing you're going to see is that the very first assignment is going to show you the assignments for this week that we're coming to. Okay, so we're going to click on that. And we'll open it up, and I will have this video here as well as this document here. So this is the document that's going to show all the assignments. So let's go ahead and click on that. I want you to notice also that this says mark is done. You will rarely need to use this, and if you ever do, I will make sure to show you how to use this, okay? All right, so let's click on this week's assignments. And you're going to see that I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday listed here, okay? And then I have assignments for science and assignments for social studies and things that are due, okay? So Monday you have off because it's a holiday. Tuesday you have no science. On Tuesday in social studies, I would like you to complete the Southeast study guide in the packet and start studying for that test, okay? And then I also want you to complete the Southeast section work in your packet, so answer all those questions and do the reading. Okay, but mostly you're gearing up just to start studying for the Southeast, and this is the final region, okay? This due date is going to be after the final test. I am going to take that whole packet and grade it. So it's really important that you get that packet done before the final test, which is going to be next Friday. Not this Friday, but next Friday, April 24th, okay? So easy enough, you have all of that at home. For Wednesday, you have no science. For social studies, you're going to go to Google Classroom, and there's an assignment called Southeast Rising Oceans, and I want you to watch all those videos. And then I want you to spend some time reviewing the West, the Southwest, the Midwest, the Northeast, and now the Southeast study guide, okay? Take the time to do that. So let's just go ahead and go back to Google Classroom to see what that assignment looks like. Let's try it this way. All right, so the Southeast Rising Oceans is the second assignment. I'm going to click on that. There is an order of videos that I want you to watch, so just go ahead and follow the list, and you're just watching all these videos. There's so many cool things going on in the Southeast. They're really having problems with the oceans rising, and I just wanted you to be more aware of that, okay? So that's going to be the assignment for Wednesday, okay? On Thursday, you have a science assignment. So you're going to go to Google Classroom to the assignment called How to See Germs Spread. And you're also going to take some time on your Genius Hour project. This will be your 10th session out of 11. So let's go back to Google Classroom and find that assignment. I'm going to use the back arrow. So All right, so here it is. It's called How to See Germs Spread. You're going to click on it and then you'll watch the video. Okay? All right, also on Thursday, I want you to continue to study the West, Southwest, Midwest, Northeast, and Southeast study guides. Okay? On Friday, well, let me back up to Genius Hour. So we have 11 sessions total, so this will be your 10th session. Hopefully you've already been working on this just because you know you have a project to work on. Once we get through with our 11th session, I will send you everything you need to make your presentation on Google Slides, okay? So don't even worry about that yet. We're just continuing to work on your Genius Hour, okay? Make sure you're taking pictures or videos of things that you want to make sure to have in your presentation. Sorry, my breathing's a little tough lately. All right, so on Friday has a little note next to it. It says this assignment is for both Friday and the following Monday. So this is a 2-day assignment. So get as much done as you can on Friday. So you're going to go to Google Classroom to the assignment called the Southeast Engineering Challenge. Yay! So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to Google Classroom. And let's find the Southeast Engineering Challenge. So here are a bunch of videos I want you to watch. There's 5 of them. Then I want you to complete this how to make a bracelet activity from a plastic bag. I want you to actually then make a Flipgrid video of you wearing your bracelet and telling me 3 things that you now know you can do at home to reduce single-use plastic waste. Single-use plastic waste are those things like paper cups, paper towels, paper plates, plastic forks, anything that you are using just once, straws. Okay, so come up with 3 things that you can do and you're going to record your Flipgrid. This is the only assignment that I am grading this week, so make sure you get this one actually completed and done. The others are to continue your learning and growth, so yes, you need to do them, but this is the only one that I am actually going to be checking in as a grade. Okay, so make sure you're listing 3 things. There's an extra challenge on this one. I would love it if you would do also in your Flipgrid, show us 1 more thing you were able to make from a plastic bag. And if you can't find a plastic bag, I want you to think of something you can make from a single-use item that would last for a really long time. Okay, so think of something else that you can use out of a box, a paper plate, a fork, something that you could remake into something that you could use for longer than one time. Okay, so let's go back to our assignments. All right, so also on Friday, because this assignment was for 2 days, I want you to continue to review the West, the Southwest, the Midwest, the Northeast, and the Southeast study guides. And then right here you can see it says Flipgrid is due Monday, April 20th. So that's going to be turned in on the following Monday. Okay, so your test for the Southeast is not going to be today, Friday. It's going to be the following Tuesday. I'm going to give you a little bit longer to study. Okay. For those of you guys who are home alone, your parents are working, or you don't have a lot going on, I really want you to try out some of these additional assignments. Each of these assignments is in Google Classroom listed with this exact title. If you did finish your Scratch storytelling, I want you to link it to this Google Doc here. So that we can actually see it, okay? So I want to take you to, no, actually I'm not going to do that, sorry. So if I were in Scratch, I put all the directions for you to actually just copy the link, and you're going to put it onto this doc, and then we can all look at it so we can see your Scratch storytelling, okay? Okay, so this is called Fun Stuff to Try. This week I want you to try the penny drop experiment. Some of you have tried memorizing all 45 presidents. That is amazing, and keep that up. I want to hear it. When you've been able to practice and do it really smoothly all the way through. Some of you have tried to draw the USA from memory. I would love to see that. That's also a Flipgrid you can send me. This is a new Flipgrid called What Have You Been Doing During This Pandemic? So you can click on mine and see what I've been doing, and then I'd love for you to record what you've been doing. All the classmates can see it. So if you don't ever want a video recorded, go ahead and send it to me just through my email. All right, there's a new code.org activity. It's called OWL for Oceans. Super topical for our Southeast study of rising oceans and just the amount of plastic and things that are in the ocean. So I hope you will try that. And then I saw this, I don't know if you've heard, but even Fort Cliff now is asking you to wear a mask when you go to the grocery store. So this is a mask you can really easily make in 30 seconds. And there's a YouTube video all about it. I would love if you happen to take a picture and you want to send it to me. That'd be so cool. All right, so these are all the extra assignments that I would love for you to do, especially if you're not feeling like this is enough for you to do this week, okay? So again, here are all the assignments. You're going to find everything here in Google Classroom this week. Every single assignment is listed here. If you need to go back and take some of those tests that you haven't taken, it's still available and open. You can only take that test one time, and I'm trusting you to be honest, so make sure you are not using any materials. Okay, I want to see how well you do. So I think that's it for now. I don't want to overwhelm you. I'm hoping this format works for you. I'm really proud of you guys. I miss you. I know your families all have different situations. So just do your best. That's all we're asking, okay? And watch for the feedback that I will send you for the one assignment that I do want you to turn in for sure this week, which is going to be the, oh my gosh, I've forgotten which one is it, which is going to be, yes, the Southeast Engineering Challenge assignment, okay? All right, I love you all. Take care. Bye. Oh, let me figure out how to stop this. Okay, try that again, and bye.